Puttun Kids. A for apple, red and sweet. Not B for ball, rolling on the street. Not C for cat, who says meow meow. We bark. D for dog, who barks so loud. E for elephant, big and tall. F for fish, so tiny and small. G for grapes, purple and green. Hey, H for hen, the best you've seen. I for ice, cool and nice. J for jug, filled with ice. K for kite, up in the sky. L for lion, hear him cry. M for mango, yummy treat. N for nest, where birdies meet. O for orange, round and fun. P for parrot, talking one. Q for queen, with a golden crown. Don't. R for rabbit, jumping around. Don't. S for sun, shining so bright. T for train, going left and right. U for umbrella, in the rain. V for van, on the lane. W for watch, tick-tock time. X for xylophone, music rhyme. Y for yak with fluffy hair. Z for zebra, stripes to wear.